So let's see what is imperfection or what is defect. Actually both are same thing. दोनों एक ही चीज है, imperfection and defect. Actually what happen in solid, we know that in solids the particles are arranged in definite regular geometrical pattern. Okay, but somehow if this arrangement is disturbed, or we can say that there is a deviation from this arrangement, so such type of process is called defect. Yes, such type of phenomena is called defect in solid. जैसे हमने देखा था कि सॉलिड में जितने पार्टिकल है, ऑल द पार्टिकल्स आर अरेंज इन अ रेगुलर ज्योमेट्रिकल पैटर्न. सो लेट्स राइट द डेफिनेशन फर्स्ट. ओके, so we can say that if we are talking about the imperfection, the departure or deviation में लिख सकते हैं, deviation of perfectly ordered arrangement, the deviation from perfectly ordered arrangement in crystal lattice is called defect. Okay, so we know that if we talk about the crystalline solid, in crystalline solid there is a perfectly ordered arrangement which we say geometrical regular definite pattern of the particles, and if there is any deviation, if there is any departure from such type of arrangement, it is called defect. Okay, so defect can be classified into two types. It can be classified into two types. If we are talking about defect, it can be classified into two types. Actually, first is point defect, and second is line defect. If we are talking about the point defect, actually what is point defect? As itself says, there will be some disturbance around a particular point. Particular point represents the particle. We can explain it through a diagram. Suppose we have this arrangement in which particles are arranged in a definite regular geometrical pattern, which we can say perfectly ordered arrangement, and we can consider any of the particles here. I just consider this one particle, and it can be considered as a point, lattice point, because we know that there is a lattice of particles present in a solid. So if there is any disturbance around this point, it will be called point defect. It may be in form of by removing one of the particle around it, or it may be due to the presence of some extra particle around it. Okay, so this type of defect is called point defect. ठीक है, I think it is clear to you all कि किसी भी एक point means किसी भी lattice point को लें. Lattice point represent a particle in a crystal lattice. So around that particular point, if some particles arise here or removed from that particular place, so that type of arrangement is called point defect. Okay, and if we are talking about the line defect, here in case of line defect, you can see we have an arrangement of particles such like this. This is an arrangement of definite geometrical pattern of particles, and we can see there is a row of the particles arranged in a well mannered way. ठीक है, if there is a deviation in a particular row, such as we can see here, this row has disturbed, the arrangement of the particle has disturbed in this particular row. Here we can consider it like this. There is a disturbance in this row, so this will be called line defect. Okay, if there is a disturbance in a particular line of the particle or a row of the particle, so that is called line defect. And if there is a disturbance around a particular lattice point or particular point or particular particle, is called point defect. And in this chapter we are going to study about only point defects, because point defects are in our syllabus. Okay, so in this topic we will study only point defects. तो हम यहाँ पर केवल point defect के बारे में बात करेंगे. So let me rough it, then move ahead. आगे चलते हैं. Okay, now we are taking point defect. Point defect. So here we can write the definition of point defect. So as I explained, point defect is a type of defect in which particles around, yes, surrounding a particular lattice point show deviation. Okay, किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट के चारों तरफ जो पार्टिकल्स है, दे शो डेविएशन. So such type of defect is called point defect. And again point defect can be classified. Point defect can be classified again into 3 types. Point defect को हम वापस से 3 टाइप में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. It can be classified into 3 types. First is stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defect. Okay, and the second is non-stoichiometric defect, and the last one is impurity defect. Okay, we are going to study these 3 types of defects in this chapter. So first let's talk about the stoichiometric defect. As its name itself says, stoichiometry means if the arrangement of particles in a substance in such a way that the positive and negative ions are arranged in such a ratio as they are arranged in an ideal molecular formula. Suppose we can consider it such as we have molecular formula A2B. Okay, suppose this is the molecular formula of any compound, any crystal, in which we know that there are 2A and 1B, and the ratio is 2:1 between A and B. Okay, so if we have 200 particle of A, then we will have 100 particle of B. And if this ratio remain intact with the formula, अगर ये रेशियो ऐसा कैसा रहता है, there is no change in the ratio of the number of particles present in a molecule, so it will be called stoichiometric. And if this ratio disturbs, such as suppose we don't have this ratio, if we have 190A and suppose 100B, so now the ratio has disturbed. अब ये रेशियो डिस्टर्ब हो गया, ठीक है, because if we change it into the simple ratio, we will not get this formula out of these number of particles. So that means this is the non-stoichiometric arrangement, because this arrangement is not as per the ideal molecular formula of this compound, and this is as per the ideal molecular formula. So I mean to say, if the ratio of the particle changes and it becomes different from ideal molecular formula, और ideal molecular formula से अगर वो different हो जाता है, तो that is called non-stoichiometric. उसे हम non-stoichiometric कहते हैं, ठीक है. So we will study this in detail, but now I am only introducing the stoichiometry and non-stoichiometry. And the third defect is impurity defect. Impurity, as itself says, impurity means if we add some impurity in a crystal lattice, then they will show some defect. So that is called impurity defect. We will also see it in detail. So first let's classify or see stoichiometry defects in detail. तो इसको रफ कर रहा हूँ, stoichiometry defects के बारे में पहले बात करेंगे. Okay, let's see. So we are talking about stoichiometric defect. stoichiometric defect. So as I said, if the ratio of constituent particles of compound is not according to ideal molecular formula of that compound, it is called stoichiometry है ना, sorry, is according to the ideal molecular formula of that compound. मतलब अगर उसके according रहे तो उसे अपन stoichiometry कह रहे हैं. So we are talking about the stoichiometry defect. If the ratio of the component particles is according to the ideal molecular formula, then it is called stoichiometry. Now stoichiometry can also be divided into stoichiometric defect. It can also be divided into two types. इसको दो types में आप divide कर सकते हैं. First is ionic defect. The ionic stoichiometric defect you can also say defect. And second is non-ionic. Okay. If we are talking about ionic, there are two types of ionic stoichiometric defect. One is Schottky, and second is Frenkel defect. And non-ionic, there are two types of non-ionic defect we will study here. When one is vacancy defect, and second is interstitial defect. ठीक है, defect. Okay, so these type of defect we will study in detail. So stoichiometric defect in which the ratio of the constituent particle remain as per ideal molecular formula. So that is called stoichiometric defect, and this stoichiometric defect can be divided into two types. If it is found in ionic compound, then it is called ionic defect. If it is found in non-ionic compound, then it is called non-ionic defect. And ionic defect can also be divided into two types, जिसको हम डिटेल के अंदर पढ़ेंगे. It is mostly frequently asked in question in board exam. तो इसको पूछ लिया जाता है, तो इसको डिटेल में हम देखेंगे. And these are the two other defects, vacancy and interstitial defect. तो इनको एक एक करके हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं. So first we are talking about non-ionic पहले लूंगा क्योंकि ये ज्यादा बेसिक है, and then फिर हम ionic की बात करेंगे. So let's talk about non-ionic vacancy defect. Okay, we are discussing about non-ionic defect, and in non-ionic defect we are discussing the first one, that is vacancy defect. Okay, we will understand it through a simple diagram. Suppose we have this arrangement of particles. This is arrangement of particles in which all the particles are arranged in a geometrical, regular, definite pattern. Okay, so here I am talking about vacancy defect. So what happens in vacancy defect? Actually, as its name itself says, vacancy means empty space. If because of any reason, it may be due to the heat given to the crystal, some of the particles leave their space and they go out from the crystal से बाहर निकल जाते हैं, and the vacancies are created. So vacancy has been created here. तो यहाँ एक vacancy create हो गई है. So such type of defect is called vacancy defect. आपने क्या किया, heat दी किसी substance को, heat increase करने पर natural है, it is a thermodynamic process in which heat is given, kinetic energy of particle increases, and somehow it happens that any of the particle from the crystal, it leave their lattice point and it come out from the lattice, इससे बाहर आ जाता है, and it leave behind a vacancy, एक vacancy छोड़ देता है पीछे, that is this defect is called vacancy defect. But the thing which we have to remember in this defect is what is the effect on density in this defect. इस defect में density पर क्या effect पड़ता है? If we are talking about density, and we know that density of a crystal is the number of particles present in a unit volume. Unit volume में जो number of particles है, they represent the density. And we know that the volume will remain same because the shape and size of the crystal has not reduced. Only some of the particles come out from the crystal. Okay, and they leave behind some vacancies here. तो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, इसकी डेंसिटी जो होगी इट विल डिक्रीज. तो ये पॉइंट आपको ध्यान रखना है कि इन वैकेंसी डिफेक्ट डेंसिटी ऑफ द क्रिस्टल लैटिस ऑलवेज डिक्रीजेस. ठीक है, तो इट इज अबाउट द वैकेंसी डिफेक्ट. एंड इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नेक्स्ट डिफेक्ट, that is interstitial defect. Second is interstitial defect. So in case of interstitial defect, you can see here I have drawn a crystal lattice and all the particles are arranged in a regular geometrical pattern. Okay, and remember one thing, the empty place around each particle is called interstitial space. Actually, if I am talking about, suppose this is space, this is interstitial space. And because of any reason, if any particle come in these interstitial space and occupy the place here, ठीक है, यहाँ पर interstitial space में कोई particle आ गया है बाहर से, it is a foreign particle. We say foreign particles come in the interstitial space of the lattice. So in that particular case, what will happen if we talk about the density? So we know that the volume will remain same. But the number of particles in that particular volume has increased. So that's why the density increases in case of interstitial defect. Okay, so ये दो चीज आपको ध्यान रखें. It's very simple. In vacancy defect, particles came out from the crystal lattice point and they leave behind some vacancies. So that's why density decreases in this case. And if we are talking about interstitial defect, some of the foreign particles, the particles from outside, come into the interstitial space between the constituent particles of lattice. So in this case, the density increases. इस केस में density जो है वो increase हो जाएगी. Okay, so it is all about the ionic defect and interstitial defect. It is a very basic defect actually, and it is mostly found in non-ionic compounds. Non-ionic compounds means all the crystals which are not ionic, such as if we can say the example of solid covalent compounds, such as carbon dioxide in solid state and aluminum nitride, and so many compounds which are in solid state but are not ionic. So in those compounds, this type of defect is mostly found. Okay, and the next very important defect is ionic defect. आयनिक डिफेक्ट, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है बेटा, इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, तो इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह समझिए. व्हाट इज आयनिक डिफेक्ट? एक्चुअली आयनिक डिफेक्ट, एज आई सेड, इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट विच इज मोस्टली फाउंड इन आयनिक कंपाउंड, जो आयनिक कंपाउंड के अंदर आपको देखने को मिलेगा. एंड इट कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स. इसको आप दो टाइप्स के अंदर डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज शॉर्टकी डिफेक्ट, SCSOT, Schottky defect. First is Schottky defect and second is Frenkel defect. So first we will talk about Schottky defect. So Schottky defect, first thing which you have to remember is it is a type of vacancy defect. ये एक तरह का vacancy defect है. Why I have said this? It is a type of vacancy defect because what we study in vacancy defect, some of the particle from crystal lattice, they just go out from the crystal lattice, leaving behind a vacant stage, that is called vacancy. So similarly, in this example, in Schottky defect, we will see that some of the ions, positive ion or negative ion, they will come out from their crystal lattice, leaving behind a lattice point. Okay, so let's see, एक example देखते हैं, but कुछ important बात और इसमें देख लेते हैं, then example देख लें. So as first point which I said, it is a type of vacancy defect, and it is found in ionic compound. ये ionic compounds में आपको देखने को मिलेगा. ठीक है, so let's explain it with an example. तो एक example ले रहे हैं हम A and B. Okay, A plus and B minus. Suppose we have this type of ionic compound, तो इसके crystal की formation करते हैं. A, B, A, and then A, okay. So these are the ions, and let's mark A plus, B minus, A plus, B minus, B minus, A positive, B negative, A positive, A positive, B negative, A positive, and B negative. Okay. So one thing you have observed in this, that the size of all the particles, whether it is positive ion or negative ion, they are almost same. So one thing which I also can add here is the size of positive and negative ions are same. इस तरह की डिफेक्ट में आपको देखने को मिलेगा जो साइज ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आयन है, दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट सेम, लगभग सेम देखने को मिलता है. ठीक है. अब व्हाट हैपन in this type of defect, some of the positive ions and some of the negative ions, they leave their lattice point, okay, and they come out from the lattice. तो यहाँ पर जैसे एक मैंने पॉजिटिव आयन को बाहर निकाल दिया है. ठीक है. बट if I remove one positive ion, the stoichiometry will change. तो क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं stoichiometric defect की, so in stoichiometric defect, the stoichiometry of compound remains same. That means the ratio of positive and negative ion remains same. So if I remove one positive ion, so I will have to remove one negative ion as well. ठीक है. तो यहाँ मैंने एक नेगेटिव आयन को और रिमूव कर दिया यहाँ से. तो I have removed same number of नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव आयन फ्रॉम द क्रिस्टल लैटिस. तो ये पॉइंट आपको ध्यान में रखना है, इसको भी ऐड कर रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पर कि सेम नंबर ऑफ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आयन रिमूव from crystal lattice. Okay, from crystal lattice, same number of positive and negative ion removed. So one more important thing in this, that always the electrical charge of crystal remains same. It is always neutral because the same number of positive and negative charge is there in a crystal lattice. ये कभी भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगा, चाहे उसमें स्टाइकियोमेट्रिक नॉन स्टाइकियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट हो, वेदर इट इज स्टाइकियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट, but the total positive and total negative charge will remain same in crystal lattice. तो ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है. नंबर ऑफ आयंस जो है, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स जो है, दे कैन डिस्टर्ब, बट always the charge will remain equal, negative and positive charge. So whole crystal lattice will be neutral. तो पूरा crystal lattice जो है वो neutral रहेगा. ठीक है. तो यहाँ वन मैंने पॉजिटिव आयन को रिमूव किया है एंड द सेम नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव आयन आई हैव रिमूव फ्रॉम इट. ओके. So this type of defect is called Schottky defect. So you can easily remember it by the name as well. वैसे तो Schottky is the name of scientist, but here it resembles shortage. So remembering this word shortage, Schottky resembles with it. So you can learn that in this type of defect there is a shortage of पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आयन. तो शॉर्टेज होगी मतलब कुछ पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आयन सेम नंबर में यहाँ से रिमूव हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. वन मोर थिंग, this type of defect is mostly found in those compounds in which the coordination number is high. Okay, it is found in crystals. crystal with high coordination number, high coordination number, तो यहाँ high coordination number से I mean to say that each particle is surrounded by a greater number of particles, so that's why the coordination number is mostly high in this defect, ठीक है, such as NaCl. And we can see we have already studied about the close packing. In close packing you studied that some have coordination number 12, some have coordination number 6. So the compounds which have greater coordination number, they mostly show such type of defect, ठीक है. इसमें दो चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. एक तो बेटा ये वाली चीज ध्यान रखें, ठीक है. ये मोस्टली उन कंपाउंड्स में देखने को मिलेगा जिनमें पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आयन के साइज में ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं होता है, ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव मेड सेम साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल्स हियर. इनका साइज मैंने सेम रखा है. एंड दूसरा ये भी ध्यान रखें, इट इज फाउंड इन कंपाउंड्स वेयर द कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर इज हाई, जहां कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर हाई होता है. वन मोर थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि ये डिफेक्ट जो है ना, इस डिफेक्ट की वजह से समटाइम इट हैपेंस दैट दे बिकम्स कंडक्टर. We know that in solid state ionic compounds are not good conductor of electricity, but if there is such type of defect found in any ionic compound, so they acquire some conductivity. Not they are good conductor, but they acquire little conductivity by it. So due to this defect, ionic compound acquire little, इसलिए मैं little लिख रहा हूँ, little conductivity. ओके, इनमें थोड़ी सी कंडक्टिविटी आ जाती है. एंड वन मोर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि इनके एग्जाम्पल्स जरूर ध्यान रखें बेटा, क्योंकि ये एग्जाम्पल्स बोर्ड में पूछे जाते हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल में आप ध्यान रखें NaCl, KCl, AgBr. ओके, AgBr that means the halides of alkali metals, mostly cesium chloride. So these are the examples in which Schottky defect is mostly found. इनमें Schottky defect देखने को मिलता है, ठीक है. Okay, so these are some important points which you have to remember, and this is the Schottky defect. Okay, let's move on. बेटा एक ऑडियो होना है किसी स्टूडेंट का, because background voice is audible. Please turn off your audio. Yes. Let's see. So it was all about the Schottky defect. So I think Schottky defect is clear to you all. Let's move ahead. The next type of defect is Frenkel defect. Next we are discussing Frenkel defect. Okay, let's see. Frenkel defect. What happens in Frenkel defect? Let's see. First thing which we have to remember is Frenkel defect is also a type of ionic defect found in stoichiometry. Yeah, or we can say that it is stoichiometric ionic defect. So let's see. It is a stoichiometric ionic defect. Okay, in what type of compound it is mostly found? It is found in ionic compound. Okay, next thing is, in this defect it is found only those compounds in which the size of positive ion and negative ion is not similar. There is a great difference between size of ion. So it is found in ionic compound in which there is difference in size of positive and negative ion, negative ion. Okay, so one more thing is you have to remember कि इसमें साइज किसका बड़ा और किसका छोटा होगा, विच वन विल हैव द ग्रेटर साइज, विच वन विल हैव स्मॉलर साइज। एक्चुअली जो नेगेटिव आयंस हैं, ठीक है, साइज ऑफ नेगेटिव आयंस बिल्कुल यस इज मोर देन दैट ऑफ पॉजिटिव आयंस। सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस आल्सो, इसको भी ध्यान रखना है बेटा, इसको उल्टा मत कर देना, otherwise it will go wrong. Okay, the size of negative ions is greater than positive ions. So it is mostly found in those ionic compounds in which the coordination number is less. ठीक है, only in those ionic compounds where low coordination number is found. इनमें कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कम देखने को मिलता है। कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर मीन्स सिंगल पार्टिकल इज सराउंडेड बाय लेस नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल। ओके, तो वहां कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर लो है। अब यहाँ जरा इसको समझते हैं, व्हाट हैपन इन इट। इट्स वेरी सिंपल, एज आई सेड दैट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन द साइज ऑफ आयंस। सो नेगेटिव आयंस विल हैव द ग्रेटर साइज एंड पॉजिटिव आयंस विल हैव स्मॉलर साइज। So these are the negative ions, this is positive ion, this is negative ion, this is positive ion. Okay, and next this is negative positive ion, this is negative ion, positive, then again negative. This is positive, this is negative, this is positive, and again this is negative. Okay, so now this is suppose, as I said that Schottky defect is found only those compounds in which there is a very less difference in size. Actually their size of positive and negative ions are just similar. So that's why I have made the same size of particles. But in this case, as I mentioned here, the size of negative ions is greater than the size of positive ions. Okay. So, कोई disturbance आ रहा है वो इसमें? Yes. Let's see. So this is the size of negative ion. Let's consider X minus is a negative ion and M positive is a positive ion. So these are the M positive, M plus, M plus, M plus, M plus, and this is M plus. Okay, and negative ion is X minus. X negative is the negative ion. Okay, and as it is a crystal lattice, so we can combine the lines combine the particles through a imaginary line. एक imaginary line को draw कर दें, so it will show a shape of crystal lattice. Okay. Now what happen in it? इसमें होता क्या है? देखिए, in this defect, as we can see that size of positive ion is smaller and size of negative ion is bigger. So some of the positive ions leave their space and leave their lattice point and come into the interstitial space. अब जैसे यहाँ पर एक पॉजिटिव आयन है, इस पॉजिटिव आयन को अपन यहाँ से हटा दें. Now it has left his lattice point and it has come into the interstitial space. वो वहाँ से हट करके interstitial space में आ गया है. So this is also a type of defect because in defect there is some deviation from the arrangement of रेगुलर पैटर्न. तो यहाँ देख रहे हैं एक डेविएशन आ गया है कि पॉजिटिव आयन जो है इट हैज लेफ्ट इट्स स्पेस हियर, तो उसने अपनी जगह छोड़ दी है और इंटरस्टिशियल स्पेस में आ गया है. तो सच टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट. इस तरह के डिफेक्ट को हम फ्रेंकल डिफेक्ट कहते हैं. ठीक है, जिसमें पॉजिटिव आयन जो है वो अपने स्पेस को छोड़कर इंटरस्टिशियल स्पेस में आ जाता है. बट नाउ वन थिंग विच यू हैव टू टेल मी, व्हाट अबाउट द डेंसिटी इन दिस क्रिस्टल. तो यार डेंसिटी पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी व्हाट विल बी इफेक्ट ऑन डेंसिटी? ओके, इट विल रिमेन सेम बिकॉज वी हैव सीन, यस यू आर राइट, एज वी हैव सीन दैट द वॉल्यूम, देयर इज नो चेंज इन वॉल्यूम and the particle inside the crystal has changed its position, so it will not affect the density. So density will remain same. And as we can see, the particles is a type of ion which is free to move in a crystal lattice in an interstitial space, so it will also affect the conductivity. So what will be the effect on conductivity? It will also increase the conductivity. Okay, because due to the presence of free ion, the conductivity will increase in this side. And you can see one more thing, the charge is already neutral because same number of positive and negative ion are there. So after creating this defect, the charge will also remain same. There will be no remain same. चार्ज जो है वो सेम रहेगा क्योंकि जो पॉजिटिव आयन है वो रहा तो अंदर ही है, तो होल क्रिस्टल विल बी न्यूट्रल, पूरा क्रिस्टल जो है वो न्यूट्रल रहेगा। ये चीज आपको ध्यान रखनी है, ठीक है। एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज द एग्जांपल। इसमें किस तरह के कंपाउंड में मोस्टली देखने को मिलता है, तो देयर इज वेरी कॉमन एग्जांपल बिटवीन शॉर्टकी एंड फ्रैंकल, जो आपको ध्यान रखना है कॉम्पिटिशन एग्जाम में, इट हैज बीन आस्क्ड मेनी टाइम्स। ओके, AGBR a common example between Schottky and Frenkel defect. It can show Frenkel defect as well as Schottky defect, दोनों को शो करता है। एक्चुअली इसका जो डिफरेंस है पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव आयंस का, वो इंटरमीडिएट मानते हैं कि जो अपन एक रेंज हमने डिसाइड की है कि अबाउट दिस रेंज द क्रिस्टल विल शो Frenkel defect and below this range it will show Schottky defect, but it is just in between, तो इसलिए it can show बोथ टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट, ये दोनों तरह के डिफेक्ट को शो करता है। एक तो ये चीज ध्यान रखनी है। एंड इसके अलावा ओके, बिसाइड दिस वी हैव सम अदर एग्जांपल व्हिच शोज सच टाइप ऑफ डिफेक्ट, दैट इज AGBR, AGCL, तो AGBR तो हो गया, AGCL, AGI, दैट मीन्स द हैलाइड्स ऑफ सिल्वर show such type of defect. And one more example is zinc sulfide can also show such type of defect. So examples are very important, so example भी बेटा आप अच्छी तरह से ध्यान रखें। So now the time is over, so just a minute, let me